What's up, guys? Frankie Blackbird here again, once again with another video, and this time we're going to make some cheat code chalupas. Real quick, easy, fast, no brain work. Just remember the taco meat that we had made for the previous ones. So if you don't know, if you haven't seen that video, go back and see that video. These are refried beans in a can. Quick, that's what I'm talking about. Quick and easy, man. Some cheese, some chalupa shells, lettuce, and tomatoes, and whatever other toppings you want on. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your chalupa shell, put some beans, put some meat on it, and then put the lettuce and tomato, and then put some cheese on top. So let me go ahead and come back with the finished product. So a low, let it cook for a little bit for about another 2 to 3 minutes, and then hit it with your taco seasoning. I always like to get the low sodium because you can always add salt, but you can't never take out salt. And for this seasoning, it's always 1 pack for 1 pound of beef. But in our reality, you could probably stretch it out to like 1.5 pounds, maybe. I wouldn't do any more beef to 1 packet because it'll taste a little diluted. Get in the ground beef like this, and then crank it up a little bit because you actually want to cook that seasoning. You want the flavors to start popping, and I believe it's called blooming. You want all these spices and seasonings. You want them to sweat, to shoot out their flavors. Like that. There we go. Smell it. All right. Now, about medium heat, let that cook. I need to get some. So we'll let that. Put it with some water, 2 cups. Give it a stir. Okay, and then from here you want to let it cook at a medium, and you want to. Here's the ground beef right here, still simmering. You want to put a lid on this so that the steam and the heat it works 2 for 1. And if you don't have a lid, you can always just put another pan over it like that. No biggie. Quick tip. All right, guys, we're finishing up the ground beef, and also you see all the water is basically disintegrated already. It's evaporated, whatever. All the flavors have incorporated into the ground beef. So now what you're gonna want to do is just let this finish off. You can still hear the sizzling. Give it about another 3 to 5 minutes. At this point, you want to be careful. You want to keep your heat low to low medium, and don't let it burn. So just stay with it for a couple minutes. All right, guys, welcome back. What I have here is 2 ways on how you can do it. You could do it like a classic with just the refried beans, lettuce, tomato, cheese on top, or you could do the beans with the meat, lettuce, tomato, and cheese on top. Like I said, and then after this, you could put like sour cream on it. You could substitute a cheese, substitute vegetables. You could use like a vegan-based meat product. You could do whatever you want, man. The sky's the limit. So, but this is just the basic view. This is just cheat code. If you got some leftover taco meat from the night before or whatever, use that. The refried beans, you could just put them in a bowl, throw them in the microwave, and put some water in it so they don't dry out, because they will dry out. So put a little bit of water in it and just keep on mixing it constantly until they're up to temperature. Lettuce and tomato, that's basic. Just chop that up and then just top it. Let me go ahead and finish these and then I'll get back with y'all. Yeah, so here's the finished product. As you can see already, we have either chado beans drained on the plate or without on the bowl with the juice. I mean, a lot of y'all, I know I like I get them in the bowl, but this is how it is. The whole preparation for this, we're looking at about anywhere from like 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes being maybe if you need to wait for the taco meat to cook, but that's about it. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me some ideas on what you want for something quick. Once again, thank you guys.